Welcome back to Dean of Machines, where we make terrible life decisions and buy more cars than we really need. Today we have a special episode with a car that has a lot of Turbobricks history. There's a lot of special mods done to it that are, Kenny's things. Sam Collier did his thing to it. All names, maybe you don't know them. We love our Volvos here, and we would be kicking ourselves if we did not jump at the chance to save this beautiful turboed 93 240. It's already done, as you'll see in this episode. Drag it out of storage and drive it home 2.5 hours. We go through the whole car, pretty up again. What more do you want? Volvo content, here you go. Hit like, leave a comment, let me know you're here. Love you guys. Enjoy the show. Just fire it up. Brown chicken, brown cow. E-codes. What'd you do to your arm? Oh, esports injury. That's right.
Esports?
Yeah, esports.
It is pretty mentally draining. There's definitely eye strain from just, looking so hard.
Big in the esports. Anyway, the old lady wanted a black 240. Oh, I forgot the dog's in there. What are you doing, Molly Cheeks? She said road trip. Anyway, this is the Wagon. It's a very special car. It is Turbobricks history, right? As you can see, it has its share of custom-made things to it. Sam Collier did his thing. Welded a 90 onto the throttle body. We haven't gone through the sucker yet to clean it up, which we'll take care of in this episode. I don't know if we'll get to the engine bay, but at least we'll give it a buff. Massive intercooler. I don't remember where this intercooler came from. Kenny Howard had it for a while. I think Sam Collier had it for a while. And of course, Donnie got the hand-me-downs. And this car is a mix of Turbobricks knowledge on how to make your turbo brick fast. So this is what we got. It's the stock B230 FT. I don't know if it's a squirter block or anything like that. It's got brown tops, running stock, 2.4 LH, and then I think that's about it. Accumulator mod, open diff, so it's not good for the funsies. It's got the B&E coilovers, huh? Those are pretty sweet. Makes this thing handle pretty nice. Then, of course, we got the steel wheels, slightly modified by years of dog urine. Gotta love it. But this thing is now in our herd, so welcome to the herd, you turd. Before we do any more slack jawing about it, let's buff it up a little bit. Time lapse. Okay, that is looking excelente. Oh, you can see my Crocs. That's how you know we did a good job. That is the test. The litmus test, as you say, right? So that's one side done. Need to do the top. Baby on board sticker for good measure. Definitely not our kid.
Lucy dreaming her daughter would look just like her, instead coming out looking anything but.
She just had a really big nose.
We don't have one, except the fur baby, which is snoozing. She wants to make sure we don't leave without her for the road trip. We haven't planned another road trip yet, but she's making sure we don't go anywhere. Anyway, let's get this hood done so we can take all the wipers and stuff off the roof and put everything back, get the trim back on. What do you think? Good.
Sounds good.
You ready for dinner yet?
What?
Yeah, me too. Let's do this. Okay, hood's looking good. Not just because the old lady's reflections in it, but because it actually looks all right. The paint's a little thin on the hood. So we didn't spend a whole lot of time trying to clean up any of the debris in the paint. What do you think?
I think you're right.
Here's what now?
I said I think you're right.
Good thing we got that on video. So we're gonna get to work on the roof, and here we go. Worst part of buffing a car is getting done with one side and getting to the other side and being like, damn it! The other side took me 3 hours. But it's looking okay. A lot of debris in the paint. But as you can see, not buffed, buffed. So let's get to it. Still got some grime and stuff on it. We got to push it out the door and give it a wash. Not too shabby for a couple of... yeah, it's more like 8 hours of buffing. No, it wasn't that long. We started at what, 3? It's 7 now? It's like 4 or 5 hours. It's looking good. Now, all we need to straighten out is this front end. Number one, we don't have any hood hinges. Number two, these ain't gonna cut it for this beautiful girl. This beautiful girl, not this one. Beautiful black thing that it is. Not her, this one. Beautiful black thing. Beautiful girl. Two different things. Alright, so we've stolen the hinges out of the parts car. And crammed them in the black 240. We do have quite the collection out here. Your car's got hinges now, you happy?
Yes.
Okay. Now no more jerking the hood around. Of course, opens and close. Nice and fine. They are gray, but don't tell anybody. Okay, that'll be our secret. So let's do something about this. And We like that a lot. Big like. Big like. What do you say we go somewhere and get better pictures of it?
Okay.
Okay. Getting ready to go do the outro for the old War Wagon here. And yeah, we're missing the bolt out of the old alternator here. We drove 2.5 hours home without that bolt in there. Or at least it got lost somewhere halfway. So much for that idea. Don't let anybody ever tell you to throw out your part stash. Never throw out your part stash.
I'm ready.
Not bad. Lady, what did you do?
I bought a black 240.
How excited are you about your car?
Very much.
Very?
Yeah.
Big excitement?
Because now it matches all the rest of them.
Yeah, now all
And
your
it's
cars are
fast.
black. It's not
Ish.
fast.
It's
I
faster
mean,
than the silver one.
let's not get carried away here.
Faster than the silver one. That's what it
Yeah, this thing is looking so good.
is. Last thing we gotta do is put Cerakote on it.
Yeah, we gotta Cerakote it. We might color match the mirrors when we repaint the car. The car's gonna be black again. We're just gonna do base coat, clear coat, fresh coat of paint. Because, like most Volvos, it's got junk in the paint. Also, it wasn't for me, but it's kind of beat in places. Also, when we got the car, there was these spots where they had like adhesives stuck to the roof. So actually took a coarse wheel to take everything down, and of course there were some rough spots as well, so that's all gonna have to be fixed. But man, this thing looks good. Well, you happy with it?
I am.
Look, I mean, you can't hate on a 240 with E-codes, huh? So that's gonna be it for us today. Thanks for watching Dean Machines. Of course, Miss Monique here, she's the owner of all these beautiful cars. All mine. I never get to work on mine because I'm always working on hers.
Lies.
No, that's the truth. So thanks for watching. Thanks for checking us out. Consider Patreon, and if not, just like, comment, subscribe, all the things. You got any words? Nothing? All right. Well, we'll have to see everybody on the next one. How about you go out in your garage and fix something, huh? Have a good night.